Lesson 8.2, Video 2. Here is a summary chart that you can use on assessments for this unit. It comes in very handy. Again, some reminders. So we've already covered this stuff, but now it's in table form. Your line of symmetry is when you have a parabola and it goes right down the middle. And that is a vertical line, so it's of the form x equals. And the b and the a come from the function in standard form. The vertex is on your line of symmetry, and it's either the lowest or the highest point of your parabola. In that case, if it's the lowest point, it would be the max, or excuse me, the minimum. If it's the highest point, it would be the max. Now again, we said that when you have an A value that's positive, then that means it's going to open up, which gives you a minimum. If it opens down, that means you're going to have a maximum. X-intercepts, you can factor that standard form equation and use the zero product property to find your x-intercepts. The y-intercept is actually the constant of your standard form equation, because you'll plug in zeros for x and they cancel all out and you're left with just your constant. For a parabola, the domain is all reals. That's your x values. Domain is x values. And it is all reals. Your range is dependent upon the graph. So if a is greater than 0, remember that it will open upward. Therefore, the y is greater than or equal to the y coordinate of the vertex. So your range would be that value and higher. We've seen graphs like that in the past. If your a is less than 0, it's going to open downward. Therefore, your range will be that y value and be less than or equal to that. So that's a nice little way to find domain and range. And this ends Lesson 8.2, Video 2.